The traditional search engine is no longer the default front door to the internet. Users are bypassing standard search result links entirely, opting instead for direct, synthesized answers from AI. Consider a rider in Uttara looking for a new bike. Instead of scrolling through a page of search results, they open ChatGPT and ask for the best motorbike showroom in Dhaka. Within seconds, the AI delivers a confident, conversational recommendation. It lists 2 or 3 showrooms, compares prices, and suggests checking warranty terms. There are no blue links, and there is no scrolling required. A showroom located 3 streets away might have spent the last 5 years heavily investing in Google Page 1 rankings for that exact phrase. Because the AI never checked traditional rankings, that brand is entirely ignored by the system. This diagram illustrates exactly how the process has changed. On the left, traditional search engines evaluate and index your entire web page. On the right, generative AI models extract specific self-contained passages to stitch together answers. This is generative engine optimization. Even with 10 years of backlinks, if the answering paragraph is buried, poorly phrased, or missing, the AI simply skips it. If your content is not built for passage extraction, your brand is effectively invisible to the modern consumer, regardless of your historical search rankings. To address this blind spot, you need to understand exactly where you stand today. Step 1 is conducting a visibility audit to establish your brand's AI baseline. Identify the 10 questions your customers ask most frequently. Enter those exact queries into ChatGPT, Gemini, and Meta AI. Run this test in both English and Bangla. Assign this task to a senior strategist. Interpreting the context of the AI's response requires analytical judgment, not a simple word search for your brand name. Your primary metric for success is straightforward. Calculate the exact percentage of priority queries where the AI actively recommends your brand. This baseline audit revealed your actual digital blind spots, giving you the necessary data before you commit any resources to fixing them. Step 2 targets your existing digital footprint. You need to rewrite your highest traffic landing pages specifically for AI extraction. This requires a passage-first structure. The direct, self-contained answer to the user's question must be placed within the first 100 words of any given section. Look at this comparison. Fact-extracting models seek verifiable numbers. They lift the precise phrase, cuts response time by 50. The easier you make it for a machine to lift your facts, the higher your odds of being cited. Step 3 ensures the AI understands exactly who you are. You must establish one canonical brand description across your entire digital footprint. This visualization shows the standard you need to meet. The exact same factual text must be locked in across your website, your Facebook page, your Google business profile, and all relevant industry directories. Step 4 builds trust with the algorithm. You need to fund review generation on the platforms that AI models actively crawl. Take budget away from stagnant social media boosting and reallocate it toward generating verified reviews on Google and Facebook. These act as critical third-party credibility signals for the models. AI engines treat fragmented brand identities as untrustworthy. Strict uniformity and high third-party ratings are required for a machine to view your brand as a citable authority. Step 5 turns this from a one-time project into an operational protocol. Make generative engine optimization a monthly maintenance habit by assigning one named owner to retest your visibility. This owner must track month-over-month AI mention rates. Do not split this responsibility. In this environment, shared ownership guarantees total failure. We must also ground this strategy in local market realities. Right now, nearly half of the Bangladeshi population is still offline. Generative engine optimization should not be applied blindly. Your investment must scale precisely with the actual AI literacy of your specific target audience. It is a rigorous operational protocol. You have to balance the demands of the digital frontier with actual offline consumer behavior. You now have a concrete framework. You know how to audit your baseline, structure your passages for extraction, and operationalize your tracking. Keep in mind, this environment is highly volatile. Data shows roughly 70% of pages cited in AI overviews shift within a 2 to 3 month window. Start the process immediately. Run your 10-query baseline audit today and begin rewriting your primary landing page tomorrow. Mastering generative extraction is the only reliable way to ensure your brand remains the answer when Google is no longer the default question.